Grade 7, Unit 8, Healthy Habits. Theme of the lesson is creating lists of healthy habits. Good day, dear students. Today we have new lesson. Let's start. Learning objectives for our lesson are the following. The first one, use feedback to set personal learning objectives. The second one, deduce meaning from context with little support in extended talk on a limited range of general and curricular topics. The third one, use appropriately a variety of active and passive present and past forms and past perfect simple forms on a range of general and curricular topics. Assessment criteria. Accept teacher's advice and feedback based on learning objectives. Identify the general idea of the talk about healthy habits. Apply correctly active and passive simple present and past forms and past perfect simple forms in the context. Критериями сегодняшнего урока являются принять во внимание советы учителя о здоровом образе жизни, а также правильно использовать present simple в данных упражнениях сегодняшнего урока. I want to show you one video and your task will be to guess what are we going to talk on the lesson. So, watch please.
Created using Powtoon.
Well, what are we going to talk about? Yes, we are going to talk about our health, healthy habits, healthy lifestyle. What does it mean, health, for you? What are your associations with these words? Think, please. Healthy lifestyle is very important for us. Healthy lifestyle consists of many different items. For example, daily physical activity, ежедневные физические упражнения, eating more fruits and vegetables, употребление в пищу больше фруктов и овощей, thinking positively, быть всегда на позитиве, drinking more water, употреблять побольше воды, getting 8 hours of sleep, высыпаться в течение 8 часов, do the things you enjoy, делать вещи, которые вам нравятся, relax and make time for yourself, расслабляться и проводить время наедине с собой. Healthy living guide. In order to be healthy, we must do some rules. Let's look. Remember some rules to be healthy. Do sports. Take regular exercises. Take a cold shower every day. Eat healthy food. Never smoke. Wash hands before eating. Clean teeth twice a day. Eat fruits and vegetables. Don't eat chips. Don't eat too much or too little. Healthy diet. Don't watch TV too long. Don't work on the computer too long. Take vitamins. Please remember these rules. Remember and learn. And now I want you to do some exercises. Task number 1. Complete sentences and put the correct form of present simple. Rewrite this exercise in your copybooks. При выполнении этого упражнения вспомните правила употребления present simple, где в третьем лице единственном числе добавляется к глаголу окончание s или es. Будьте внимательны. Task number 2. Divide word collocations into 2 columns. First column – you should. Second column – you shouldn't. Разделите словосочетания в 2 колонки. Что мы должны делать и чего мы делать не должны. Good luck! Well done, dear students. Thank you for your active work. Try to combine all knowledge that you have get during the lesson. Your homework is on the screen. Answer the questions and write your answers in your exercise book. Good luck. See you soon. Goodbye.